How to make international wire transfers with Citibank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So sending money abroad through Citibank is very simple. And here is how to make an international wire transfers using the desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, you can just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to log into your account and here once logged in, from the top menu, you can simply click on payments and transfers and then select wire transfers under the transfer option. Now there, you simply have to click add a new recipient and enter the recipient name, bank name, SWIFT/BIC code, IBAN or account number and bank address, and once you're done with that, you simply have to click next. Now on the next page, you simply have to choose your funding account and enter the transfer amount and select the currency and add a note of purpose if needed. And with that, you simply have to review all the details carefully. And if everything looks good, you can just click submit and complete any security verification. And that's it. That's how you can make international wire transfers with Citibank. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.